For water service installs in Los Gatos, CA, 95032, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent option. Our staff's extensive knowledge of water systems and years of plumbing experience ensure top-notch installations cater to the unique requirements of your house. Are you looking for water service installs near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is a water service installation? This process includes installing the pipelines and systems that connect your property to the main water supply, ensuring a consistent and clean flow of water. Whether you're in Los Gatos, California, or nearby locations like Santa Cruz, our knowledgeable crew takes care of every aspect of the installation, from preliminary site evaluations and inspections to excavation, trenching, and secure system hookups. What is the purpose of water service installs? Water service installs at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment wants to ensure that houses in Los Gatos, CA, 95032 have a reliable, efficient, and high-quality water supply system. Whether for a business or a residential home, these installations are necessary to establish a dependable and secure link to private water sources or the municipal water infrastructure. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/